Hello YouTubers, today we'll be putting on the head and the cams to maybe get a fire. So now what I gotta do is I gotta set this on there so I can torque the head bolts. Okay, I just got the head bolts torqued. Now I gotta get the cam clearances and stick cams in. Okay, now I got the head all torqued on, everything's torqued on from there on. Now I gotta put the cams in and measure the clearance between the buckets and the cams. We'll post you on that. Okay, I already got the distances measured between the cams and the caps. I got the buckets off and the shims out. Got them on this paper right here with the measurements. Now we'll go in and compute. Okay, I got my shims measured out, got the new ones laying here, and I cheated. There's this thing online where you can enter what it should be, what it is, your valve shim thickness, and it gives you new thickness. That is cool as shit. Now let's stick it in. Okay, now let's stick in the shims. There we go. Okay, now put in the buckets. It's probably a good idea to have them in the same spot, isn't it? Now to install the cams. Give it away, give it away.
Tommy,
Same as stock. Yeah, it's just to retard these. Still got the magic trick. Okay, here we go. It's all put together for the better part. Sorry I didn't get an update on it because I actually forgot about doing it. I got everything in time. And the dots. Right there. And right there. Now here's going to be the true test. If it spins without binding. So let's see. Neutral. And it worked, man. Everything's good. Now I gotta take it to my ATV shop to get this cap out right here. Because I don't know why it's in so goddamn tight, but it's stripped out. Right there. So it won't be running tonight, but it'll definitely be running tomorrow. Well, there we go. It's all ready to rock and roll. I know I didn't get a fire up today, but I got pretty far if you ask me. But anyways, I will have a new video up tomorrow of the fire up. And even if it doesn't fire, I'll still have a video of it. Well, take care. Thanks for watching my videos.